Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable smart invert on your iPhone. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do invert. So you just click here on settings here, just click on it. When you click on settings, it's going to take you to your settings here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, you just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on display in text size, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down here, just come here to smart invert here, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us that means smart invert enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.